In this question, a person is sitting on a shore of a river. He is in a line of a 1 meter long boat and is 5.5 meter away from the center of the boat. He wishes to throw an apple into the boat. If he throws the apple only with a speed of 10 meter per second, find the minimum and maximum angle of projection for successful shot. Assume that the point of projection and the edge of the boat are in the same horizontal level. So here, person throws the apple. So there could be two possibilities. One possibility is the apple will reach to the minimum distance, which is A, and it could be possible that it will reach the maximum distance, which is point B. The length of the boat, this is the boat here, is given as 1 meter if this is the origin O. So the distance of OA is equal to 5 meter. Why it is 5 meter? Because if this is the center of the boat C, OC is 5.5 and AC is 0.5. So OA is 5 meter. So if we consider case 1, so here our range is equal to OA, which is 5 meter. U is fixed, U is constant, 10 meter per second. And we have to find the theta. This is. So we can use the range formula. R is equal to U square sine 2 theta divided by G. Substituting the value, R is 5, U is 10 square, and sine 2 theta divided by G. So sine 2 theta is equal to 50 by 100, 1 by 2. So sine 2 theta is equal to 1 by 2. So 2 theta could be equal to 30 degree or 150 degree, because sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and sine 150 is equal to 1 by 2. So from here theta we will get it as 15 degree or theta is equal to 75 degree. So this is the range for the case 1. Now we will see the maximum one, means OB. Now we have to find this angle. Suppose this is theta 1, this is theta 2. So theta 1 we got it. Now same method again we have to do, but here range is 6 meter. Because this distance is 0.5, so if we add it, it will become 6 meter. U is same, 10 meter per second. So R is equal to U square sine 2 theta 2 divided by G. So R is 6, 10 square sine 2 theta divided by 10. So we will get it as sine 2 theta is equal to 60 by 100. So 3 by 5. So theta will be equal to 18.5 or 71.5 degree. So what is the minimum and what is the maximum value here? So minimum is 15 degree and the maximum is 75 degree. So from here we can say that for a successful shot, minimum is 15 degree and maximum is 75 degree. Means between in that range, if we shot it, the apple will hit on the boat. This is the answer.